How can CoGo help maintenance superintendents gain visibility into the overall cost of maintenance? How can CoGo help maintenance superintendents get detailed visibility into costs? Within the CoGo analytical dashboards, plugged directly into Business Central, we can actually go through our Cost Explorer, which will allow us to drive into individual detail on what money we're spending, what assets we're spending it on, and who's actually doing the work. If I click on our Cost Explorer, I can see we're starting here with our overall maintenance costs, so what we've spent. And this allows us to drill into the individual detail. Was this a corrective or a preventative maintenance activity? Was this actually a trigger type of a measurement? So was the device telling me that there was a maintenance activity, or was it a one-off? Was the activity actually posted? So if we already spent this money and we're looking at behind us, or is this something that's currently open? We can actually keep on going into it and actually see what assets specifically are we spending the money on? Was it our conveyor system, our ball mill? Was it something undefined? And if we go one more layer into the detail, we can see what locations were these assets actually at. So it allows you to actually dig in analytically to every single detail, from your overall maintenance costs to the type of activities you're spending, to what the status, to the individual equipment, and also directly down to what the resources are spending in terms of labor to execute on these activities. This gives you a very comprehensive view into your total dollars that you spend on all of your maintenance activities in every single type from a single window. I'm Andy Pruitt, CEO of CoGo. You just saw a quick overview of what we can do. If you're interested in a full demo tailored to your needs, please reach out.